Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share loads of ideas for summer meals that are low carb and keto friendly, meals I'll be enjoying all summer long. It is bright and sunny today in Ireland. For a change, the light is just streaming in, and so I thought it's a great time to sit down, chat through some meals that you want to enjoy through summer when it's just too warm to cook, and just if you want to follow a keto diet, low carb meals. I find it so much easier to follow a low carb diet over summer. There's salads and smoothies and chia puddings and all kinds of light meals and snacks and breakfasts that you can enjoy. And I've also actually put together for you a whole blog post with a 7-day keto diet summer meal plan. There's seven breakfasts, 7 lunch, 7 dinners, and 7 desserts too, so you can enjoy loads of sweet treats and loads of lovely meals through summer. And I'll leave a link to that down below for you. It's on my blog, it's free, just you can have a read through, pin, bookmark it, save it, so that all summer you've got lots of meal inspiration. And I'll talk you through some of my favorites today in this video as well. So breakfast through summer is a perfect excuse to enjoy chia puddings. There's so many lovely ways to enjoy chia puddings. You can mix through some summer berries, make a chocolate one that I shared the other week, or just loads of ways to enjoy chia puddings through summer. And if you don't feel like a chia pudding or you haven't prepared ahead of time, you could make a summer berry parfait. Enjoy some low carb yogurt with some summer berries, maybe even some homemade chia jam too, and just make a lovely parfait. You could even make it when it comes up to 4th of July, red, white and blue. You can have some lovely yogurt, some blueberries and raspberries or strawberries, and it's a lovely way to have a red, white and blue food that is low carb and keto friendly. You could also enjoy summer veggies in a green shakshuka, have some summer zucchini, summer squash, cook it up and have it with some fried eggs for a lovely shakshuka that is green and all summery. Also, if you're home through summer vacation, summer holiday time, you could also make indulgent breakfasts like waffles or pancakes as well. And for lunches, there's loads of summer friendly, keto friendly lunches. The caprese salad I shared the other week, which is really the flavors of caprese, but with cauliflower instead. My favorite is broccoli salad, 4-ingredient broccoli salad that's creamy and it's so good and lovely to have to take along to picnics, potlucks, barbecues through summer. If you're wanting something a little more meaty, you could make a steak salad, a big steak salad. I've got a recipe for one that's got a rainbow of veggies as well as a homemade blue cheese dressing. You could also make deviled eggs to enjoy as a snack or to take along to a picnic or just to enjoy as a whole meal. I've enjoyed them with smoked salmon in the past and they're so good. Now for dinner, again, you can have salads, but as I said in the blog post down below, there's a whole lot of ideas, and dinners as well. You can have salads, cold meals. You can, when it's cooler days, cook up roast chicken or roast meat or make silverside, and then when it's warmer days, you've got meals that you can just pull straight out of the fridge. You don't have to recook them, just have some cold leftover chicken with nuts, a side salad, and it's a perfect dinner. And for desserts, you know I love my desserts. On this channel I'll probably share more desserts than anything else, and the other week I actually shared a video with all no-bake keto dessert essentials. I'll leave a link to that as well down below and in the information cards too. But yeah, there's loads of no-bake desserts you can enjoy. Make some lovely mousse, some no-bake cookies. There's just lots of lovely desserts, or of course the ultimate, celebrate summer berries with summer berries and whipped cream. I shared also a recipe for homemade whipped cream the other day as well, and that's just a way to celebrate summer. And summer berries have berries and cream, and it's the perfect low carb keto summer dish. But yeah, that's the video for today with all of these ideas. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below what you'll be enjoying through summer. What's your favorite meal and favorite dish to enjoy through summer? And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has 7-day keto diet summer meal plan, all that you need to follow keto through summer. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.